In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Wise account number quickly and easily. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can find your account details without any hassle. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be any browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've got your browser open, go to the search bar and type in Wise. This is the easiest way to navigate directly to their site. You will instantly get a list of search results. When the results appear, identify the first result or look for the one that includes the URL wise.com. That's the official site for Wise, and it's where you want to head. Click on that link to enter the Wise homepage. Once you're on the Wise homepage, look toward the upper part of the page for the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type in your email or phone number, along with your password, and log into your account. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login issues. If you're having trouble with your password, use the Forgot Password option for assistance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Wise dashboard. Here, you'll see your available balances and recent transactions. Focus on the left sidebar or directly on the dashboard to find the list of currencies associated with your account. Select the specific currency for which you want to retrieve your account details. It's important to choose the correct currency if you have multiple, as Wise provides account numbers for each currency separately. Now, here comes the critical part. Look beneath your currency balance for a button that says Account Number. It's typically easy to spot, sitting just below where your balance is displayed. Click on that Account Number button. With a single click, Wise will display all the necessary details, including your account number, on the screen. You can view, take note of, or simply copy these details for your reference or for sharing with others when needed. It's a helpful feature that lets you have all the important information right at your fingertips whenever you need it. We've reached the end of this process. As you can see, checking your Wise account number is an efficient and user-friendly task. Whether you need these details for financial transactions or personal reference, knowing how to find them is crucial. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to ensure you're securely logged out when finished if you're using a public device. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day!